Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to the third part of keyword research, best, easy, advanced way and unique way to search for the best keyword that you can put in your title tag, meta description, in a blog, in your web page, anywhere you want. So in this video, we're going to focus on YouTube. This is very much you might be questioning why YouTube, like how YouTube can help us in keyword research. That is what I'm going to show you in the upcoming in this video. Before that, I just want to say what I have included in the earlier videos. First of all, we have covered the overview, what tools we're going to use, how you're going to do, and every stuff, right? Then we focused on Google. From Google, we have gathered bulk data, we have gathered all the data, we have sort the data into with the needs that we want, with the mindset of approaching towards a destiny. What I mean about that means, like, if I want to write about this, the things that I want to write about or include about is depression. So the mindset of mine about depression is to give an overview of depression, right? I don't want to go in depth. So what we did, we gathered a bulk data about depression. Okay, we sort it out based on our mindset, based on our needs, right? We have collected data and we have put it in a list of all the keywords, right? Then we have modified the data based on relevancy, based on requirements, based on if that is needed or not, that kind of factors, right? Then what we did, we kind of use the data, use the data and we kind of put the data in Uber Suggest. What is Uber Suggest? Uber Suggest is one of the best tool which kind of give you all the details about the keyword you have put into it. For example, if you put any keyword, Uber Suggest will give you the details about how much volume the keyword have, how much searches it has been done in past 30 days estimate. Okay, what is the CPC, how much difficulty is for paid ads, how much difficulty is for organic ads, and what is what is the searching is going on in upcoming month as well. It's kind of an overview, overview of the keyword. It gives every information is required. So bulk data sorted out into needs, and then the data we have, we are kind of assuring, we kind of deleting and adding more data with the help of Uber Suggest. In this video, we're going to talk about YouTube. Like, this is a very much different thing, how YouTube going to help us. So if you have seen that, if you see yourself, if you look at other people, maximum people, or like many amount of people are nowadays searching for anything on YouTube as well. There is Google, we all know, but right now we need information. We want to see we want to see some visually appealing videos, and we just try to search everything on YouTube, from definition of a word, from a pronunciation of a word to the history of that word, to anything, to any extent, right? In that case, right now, what we do, people, apart from just Google, people used to search on YouTube as well. For they type anything free, we get everything about free. Like, for example, for my case, I am searching for depression. So if I just type depression, you will see tons of results are there. Nowadays, what is happening, Google is kind of everyone don't want to read everything, right? Nowadays voice search is there and this video is there. Voice search is booming, but video is already taking maximum part of it. For example, in Google, you just type music or any kind of thing, you'll see the first or second or third result will covered with YouTube is taking almost all the searches. How that is happening, what is that is happening, that is the other part. But as you can see, YouTube is getting more preference, means there are some words, there are some keywords, there is something that these videos are using, that is helping Google to judge or judge this content is purely or maybe very much related to the word you have put into the search bar, right? In that basis, we want to use YouTube as well. I know no one has ever used YouTube for keyword research, but this is very much better and good way to sort your list more, to get more good data, to very assured that your data is very good and correct. Let's see what happened, because I know this is kind of a different, but I'm using this since very long. I am myself a digital marketer. I've like ranked many websites and many things, so I use this kind of thing, this kind of a sneaky small thing that give you assurance, okay, this word is good and this word is kind of trending. So let's see what our list was. So this was our list. So if you haven't seen the earlier videos, you should see the past videos that I've created in the playlist. I'll put the link, but you should see, because through that videos only and through that process only we collected this data. This data is purely from Google and Uber Suggest. From Google we collected a lot of data. There were a lot of data, like filled a lot of data, and we kind of deleted some, added some, mold up some, and we got this data. Then what we did from Uber Suggest, we kind of got the volume, CPC, how much difficult it is for ranking, how much difficult it is for paid ranking, and we have collected all of them. For example, we have the defined list. We are approaching towards a path. We are approaching toward the best keywords for your blog, title tag, meta description, for anything you want, right? So this is giving you everything that you want. So right now what we'll do, we'll just take depression and we'll put into it, and we'll see how much views is there. It's 89k views, 31k views. There are a lot of views, and there are a lot of views on the word depression. We'll just see if there is anything required. We'll just take the title tag again, as we did in the first time in the Google YouTube title, right? We put the title tag in the first. We're going to collect this for top 10, top 5. I collect for top 10 in general, but for this video I'll just try to show you top 5, how to do that, how this is going to help in the keyword research. So this is third one, and oops, fourth one. This is a kind of a technique where you get assurance that your data you've collected. This is one more assurance check mark in your data, that your data is good. You have a good data, your keywords are good, and good videos are popping up. If there's like 2k views videos, then I will be deleting the data right away. So that's kind of test we are doing. Also we are collecting if something is relevant also. So I feel for depression, understanding bipolar, this is a type of depression. So I'm just collecting if something is required or not. I've just shown why this data I've collected, because if there is any kind of thing that is relevant, then I will keep in the list, otherwise I'll delete that, right? Next we'll see depression test. Let's see if there's something good. Is it 162k? It's a good. People are searching for this. There's some kind of word is put into this title tag, or this video is getting some kind of views for this kind of video. So that's why we want to keep this word in the list, right? And we see more. If there's something good, we have psychological career and treatment, take a depression test. If there's something that is not in our list, we're going to include here, just like I shown you in the first time, right? Let's see if there is anything that is not there in the list. Difference between depression and sadness, right? So sadness and depression is a kind of a good thing, because we haven't got anything kind related to sadness. So sadness, right? Mental disorder can be one a good thing. Oh, we just need, oh man, come on. Yep, sorry, we just need the title tag. Yep, we had this list also. 8 signs of suffering for depression. Signs, we have the signs, so we don't need this. 11 basic mood of self-analysis and depression, synonyms of depression, this kind of thing. So this is how we going to collect the keywords from this title tag as well, based on the relevancy, based on the mindset, what you're approaching towards, right? Based on the keyword, based on the blog you will write, based on the title tag you will make, based on that only you should see this title tags and collect keywords. And also you just confirm that this list is the best list you have collected from Google, and then Uber suggest, then you're hopping to YouTube, right? So let's see definition. As I said, everyone right now, Google is there, we all know, but people are jumping to YouTube for every single thing, everything, just from small stick thing to big thing, from rocket science to, piece of paper, everything. See, there's 5 term depression or depressive disorder. Types we already include in the list, we don't need that. Definition of major depression disorder, we don't need that. Depression meaning, we don't need that. Having an anxiety feels, we don't need that. We will only include that kind of word which is not in the list, and we are also assuring that this word are good, right? So this is what we're doing over here. Same we'll do with the symptoms. This is the same process, right? We're going to do the same process every single time. Sign of depression and anxiety. Depression symptoms can be still. Depression symptoms help. Depression symptoms like there's anything that is different. Counseling services. So depression, there's need of counseling, right? This is how you're going to search for keywords. See, we got something. I know these are useless because I'm going to show what we need from this thing, but mental disorder, personality test, mental disorder is something we need, counseling service something you need, sadness something we need. So this is what we need from YouTube. And also we want to assure, again we want to assure this list is the best list for from YouTube. Also we are getting a checklist, okay, tick mark that okay, this list is a good list. So this is what we are assuring from YouTube. This is not a lengthy time, you can do easily. Okay, if you got a lot of words from here, then it will take a little bit more time. Same we will do for medication, same we will do for every single item in the list, right? Copy the same thing again, I'm sorry. Let's copy. Right now I'll do this time I'll do it correct. Yep. Okay, so we won't do this for this because this is kind of a long tail and LSI keywords that we'll talk about in the upcoming video. For the time being, we'll just focus on this list because in which we are getting an exact idea about what this keyword is signifying, right? This is like a long thing, depression test and treatments. We're saying two things at a one time, so we don't need this for now. We just need this list and we will be doing the same process and we'll be keep on adding the items that we need, right? The next thing what you're going to do, same process will be continue on the everything, and after that will be adding, if there's some word that is not relevant or some word that is not good from this list, we're going to delete that and we're going to not include in the list. And we're going to sort this also. For example, what we need, for example, counseling service we need, mental disorder we don't need this thing, and we don't need this thing as well, right? From here we need sadness and depression, we don't need this test or something, and major we don't need this types also because we are not going in depth. My mindset is to write about, brief about, to add a keyword, title tag, anything, just about the overview, not other apart from the overview. So we don't need also talk about depression, we don't need also, we got this three from 1 2 3 4 keywords, right? Same will applies to all these keywords over here, and we'll collect more words and we're going to put this word in Ubersuggest again. If you haven't seen the video of Ubersuggest, please go and watch because Ubersuggest is one of the good thing, and I feel I have gone into depth about how to search and what factors you should see before collecting your keywords, and please see. And then we'll put the word into Ubersuggest, and then we're going to put this word in here in the list, and we're going to be assured that these words are also very important for your for your keywords, for your any kind. You can put this word anywhere you want. If you want to write a blog, go write a blog with this keyword. You want to write a title tag, include this word in title tag. Same, simple as that, right? So this is how this is how you're going to use YouTube. I feel very less people, I don't know anyone, but I feel very less people know about all this, and this is one of the best way I feel in which we can get assurance that how much good your keyword is, how you can get more keywords from this. YouTube is a very it's not being used by anyone till now. I guess many less people use, I feel, because YouTube when it comes to YouTube, people think about YouTube SEO, but YouTube really can help into Google ranking as well, because people are also optimizing the title tag, meta description for YouTube, but they are using some keywords through with the help of those keywords they are getting the rank. So this is the main reason why we're using YouTube as well. This is the main reason, again this is the main reason, because everything is YouTube is optimized by some other person and they're using some specific word, and we want to know that word. So we are making our list very strong. We have used Google, right? We got everything need from Google. Then we went to Uber search. We like seen the factors. We have collected some keywords based on the factors. We collected good keywords, and then we kind of assured with the help of YouTube that these are the good keywords. Okay, and also we collected some new keywords as well. And this new keyword will go into Uber suggest, and done. Your work is done till YouTube, and next time we're going to see other tools that we already have word about, right? If you haven't seen the other videos in the previous videos, please go and watch. There are 3 videos I've made: overview, then Google the unique way, and also Uber suggest. Hope you like this video. If you really like the idea I do work, please hit a like button. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comment, any suggestion, please put in the comment box. I will be surely learning. I want to learn a lot, and I will be helping you out also with all the questions and queries you have. Thanks again, and please subscribe, please like. Hope you like this video. Thank you.